All right, this continues section 4.6. We're doing another total value problem. We're doing a problem about birdseed and sunflower seeds. Birdseed cost 59 cents per pound and sunflower seed cost 89 cents per pound. And we're going to find a formula for the total cost first, B, of P pounds of birdseed. So birdseed here, we're told it costs 59 cents per pound. So I'll put that down as a list of our information given. And then the number of pounds that we're going to buy of birdseed, that's going to be P. And then the total value of that, well, that would be our dollars per pound. And our dollars per pound multiplied by the number of pounds, that is going to give us our total value, which we're going to call capital B. So our equation here for capital B, I'll just write it up here, is going to equal our 0.59 and then times P. So there's our equation for birdseed. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the same thing for sunflower seed. Find a formula for the total cost S of n pounds of sunflower seed. So the sunflower seed, the cost per pound of sunflower seed is 89 cents per pound, so I'm going to put that down. And then here, the number of pounds, that's going to be called N. And then the total for the sunflower seed, that's going to be the dollars per pound for the sunflower seed, multiplied by the number of pounds for the sunflower seed. And then that is going to give us the total value, which for that we'll call it capital S. So our equation for this one, S, capital S, is equal to the dollars per pound for the sunflower seed, 0.89, and then times the number of pounds, which is N. Now from there we can go ahead and we can look at part C. Part C says write a formula to give the total cost T of buying P pounds of birdseed and N pounds of sunflower seed. So this total cost, and this one is actually what we would call it, term is probably a grand total cost, right, is going to be the B plus the S, because the total, grand total cost, right, would be the bird seeds total plus the sunflower seeds total. And there I'm going to name this a T. And then again, what we have is just a substitution problem. So T is equal to, and B is equal to 0.59 P, and S is equal to 0.89 N. And so what we have is the total cost being 0.89 N plus 0.59 P. And that gives us an equation with two variables in it, but we're not going to let it bother us. Now the last thing it says is use the formula in C to find how much the total cost of buying 2 pounds of birdseed and 5 pounds of sunflower seed is. So this time around, what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting in a certain number of pounds of the sunflower bird seed, and it says 2 pounds of bird seed, so 2 pounds for that. And then the number of pounds of sunflower seed, I'm putting in 5 pounds of that. And so I'm going to just be substituting into this formula for the total cost here to find part D. So this says 0.59 times P, and P was 2 pounds, so we'll put in 2 there. And then plus 0.89 and 0.89 times, and then we're going to put in 5 for the N, and that's what it's going to look like. And so again, we can go to our calculator for this. So 0.59 times 2, which is going to give us $1.18, and that $1.18, I'm kind of out of room, so I'm going to put it right in here. Sorry about that. $1.18 plus, and then 0.89 times the 5, and that's going to give us $4.45. And our total value, therefore, is going to be the sum of those. And we get $5.63 for those. So our total value is $5.63. And that gives us an idea of how total value problems can come together. We'll see that later.